Hi, this is Tux. Today I'll be teaching you a warm winter drink recipe using orange as the main ingredient. This is one way you can still enjoy your orange drink this winter. And the recipe for this drink include 5 oranges, 1 lemon, 1 cup of hot water, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Will you be giving this recipe a try, and will you like to see more warm drink recipe this winter? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today's video. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time.